Journal entry related to goods means transaction related to goods. Okay. Now in this, there is a part where goods is destroyed or loss. There are different type of loss. So we will discuss that loss in detail here, because sometimes there is insurance uh, insurance taken for goods or any property. If you know the meaning of insurance, can you tell me?
Insurance is basically it provides coverage against the various types of risk.
Okay. So how it works?
Basically, they have to pay a premium in order to get the insurance policy,
Yes,
and
very.
then
That's it. We have to pay the insurance premium, and in return, they give us a guarantee. You can say that in case of any loss, we will compensate.
yes,
So that is insurance. Now, if there is any loss, so loss by fire, theft, or accident, then what will be the journal entry? First of all, whenever there is a loss, it will be loss by fire account debit to purchase account. Now, I have taken loss by fire, but it may be different in different cases, different question. It may be loss by theft, it may be loss by accident. So, whatever given in the question, you will write that like loss.
sir. So what is lost over here? Is it
What?
goods? Is goods lost over here?
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
that's why I have written purchase account.
okay, yeah,
Okay. If it is furniture, if it is machine, then whatever we have lost, we will write the item name.
name, yes,
Okay. If it is cash, like goods, sorry, cash stolen by one of the employee, so it will be lost by theft account debit to cash account.
yes,
So this is how it works. You have to remember that instead of loss by fire, you can write loss by theft or loss by accident. And instead of purchase on the credit side, you can write any assets name or cash. Okay.
okay,
Now there are two situations when there are some loss. So one, if you have taken the insurance. The second, if you have not taken the insurance.
yes.
So case number one, if there is no insurance. So if there is no insurance, then whole amount of loss is actual loss. There is nothing we will get from someone or some company. So that's why it is actual loss. It will be transferred to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debit to loss by fire.
So lost by,
Fire account.
okay. If there's no insurance, okay,
If there is no insurance, then this loss by fire that we have written on the debit side in first entry will be transferred to profit and loss account by crediting it.
okay,
Case number two, if there is insurance, then it means the loss that is incurred here is not full loss. it maybe some part of it will be recovered from the insurance company. So that's why it is not full loss. So what we have to do, the first entry in this case will be for making a claim, because whenever any loss happen and you have taken the insurance, then you claim the money from insurance company. So for making a claim, it will be insurance company account debit, because we are asking money from the insurance company. We are saying to insurance company, this is not our loss. We have paid premium to you. So this is your loss. You have to compensate us. So that's why insurance company account debit, and the loss will be transferred to insurance company. So to loss by fire account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, after we have made the claim, is it possible that insurance company will accept all the time the full amount?
Sir, only till the extent of the loss they will pay.
Actually, they verify themselves. They check by their own agent or like verifier. Okay, they check it, they verify it, and then accept a claim. So generally, the claim accepted by the insurance company is less than the claim made by the business person.
Sir, what do you mean by claim?
Claim means like if there is any loss, there is goods destroyed by 10,000. So you will ask a company that we have lost our goods, so give us 10,000. That is called claim. Means you are
Okay.
asking the money from insurance company.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are making a claim, in most of the cases, in general insurance actually, because business always have general insurance. So in most of the cases, insurance company accept less value of claim.
Yes.
Okay, so if you will make a claim of 10,000, then they will accept only 8,000 or 9,000 or 7,000, whatever the actual situation is. Okay, so
Yes. Yes.
generally
Yes.
they do not accept the full claim. So that's why the second entry will be for acceptance of claim. So for acceptance of claim, if they have accepted the full value, then there is no problem. It will be bank account debit to insurance company. But if they accept less value, so you will receive less amount and the remaining balance will be your loss. So it will be transferred to profit and loss.
Sir, if they accept the claim, then they will pay for the loss, right?
Yes,
Then why is it profit and loss account?
I just told you this, that if they accept less claim, means if there is a loss of 10,000 and they accept
Okay.
only 7,000, then the remaining 3,000 is the loss. Yes?
But here for acceptance of claim, they'll accept the full claim, right? 10,000
No,
also they'll give, right?
I'm writing acceptance of claim in different situation. If it is full,
Okay.
then you don't have to write profit and loss. If it is not full, then you have to write profit and loss.
Okay. So for making a claim means only they'll pay half. And then for acceptance of claim means they'll pay the full amount.
No, no. When I said they will accept only half,
So for making a claim means they won't pay the full amount, right?
just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will give you an example. You will understand.
Okay, okay.
Example: furniture of 30,000 destroyed by fire. Insurance company accepted claim of 26,000 only. Okay, now tell me, this is a question for you, that if there is a loss of 30,000 in your business, you will make a claim of how much amount? Means how much amount you will ask from insurance company?
30,000.
30,000. It means you will always make a full claim.
Yes.
It's up to the insurance company that they will accept the full claim or not. But you
Yes.
will always ask for full money. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if goods destroyed, furniture destroyed by fire, so it will be loss by fire account debit to furniture account.
Yes.
So 30,000. Now you have to make a claim. So insurance company account debit to loss by fire,
Yes. That's only 26,000, right?
30,000.
But then they accepted claim of only 26,000, right? So insurance
But
company
second
will.
entry is for making claim. Second entry is for making claim. Third entry
So,
will be for acceptance of claim.
so how many entries will be there?
There is one for loss, happening of loss, second for making a claim, and third for accepting the claim. So it will be bank account debit, profit and loss account debit, to insurance company account. So we have asked 30,000 from insurance company, but the insurance company only paid 26,000. So there is a loss of 4,000, which is to be transferred to profit and loss account. So this is
Okay.
what we have written here in the entry also. First is for loss. If actually this case one and case one is only applicable if there is no insurance. Okay.
Mhm.
But
Okay.
if there is insurance, then we don't have to follow case one. This entry is not
Oh,
applicable.
yes.
So for first entry will be this. Second entry for making a claim, uh, this one, and the third entry for acceptance of claim. So for
Okay.
making a claim, you will always make a claim equal to the loss. So in this
Okay.
case, the second entry, it will be same value as the first entry of loss.
Yes. Yes.
So if there is a loss of 30,000, we will make a claim of 30,000.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
And then the insurance company will accept. If they accept the full amount, then there will be no loss. But if they accept only half of it or some part of it, then it will be bank account debit, profit and loss account debit to insurance
Sir,
company.
so if they accept the full amount, what's the journal entry?
Bank account debit to insurance company.
What if they accept only half?
Then bank account debit, profit and loss account debit to insurance company.
Okay. Okay, sir.
If they accept the full claim, 30,000, let's say in the question, if they accept the full claim of 30,000, then there is no loss for us, because we
Yes.
have lost 30,000 value of furniture and we have received 30,000. So there is no loss for us. So why we will write profit and loss?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
And if they accept only 15,000, half of it, then we will write bank account debit 15,000, profit and loss 15,000, to insurance company 30,000.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Please write this. This is the last topic of our journal entry chapter. So if you have any like question or doubt related to journal entry, any topic, then you can ask here. Actually, you can ask later also, but the problem is, if you ask like in recent classes, then it will be better. If you remember the concept and then ask question, then it will be uh, very much understandable. But if you ask question like later, then you don't know all the concept, And at that time, it is very difficult for you to understand everything.
Sir, can we go down? Sir, so here for making a claim, does it mean that they are paying the full claim?
For making a claim, claim making means not paying or receiving. Making a claim means acknowledging, like informing the insurance company that you have suffered a loss and you want them to pay you money. So this is just for information. That is making a claim.
Okay, okay. Okay. So in here you wrote right, bank account debit to profit and loss account debit to insurance company. That we can also write as insurance company insurance company accepted the claim and only paid half amount. And then the journal entry will be bank account debit to profit and loss account debit to insurance company. And if the journal and the journal entry for acceptance of claim and paid in full amount is bank account debit to insurance company.
Yes, that's what I said.
So now here, if we write for acceptance of claim this journal entry, then I'll think that for paying the full amount and paying half amount, the journal entry is the same.
What?
So here, right, this one.
Yes.
Yeah, so here, this journal entry is basically for acceptance of claim and paid only half amount, right?
Yes.
Then, yeah, and then for acceptance of claim and paid full amount is bank account debit to insurance company account.
Yes. Yes.
So here, if I write this, I mean this equation, then I'll think that this is for acceptance of claim for both full amount and half amount. Like if it's either paid for full amount, I'll write this, and then half amount also this. But actually, it's the opposite, right? So here, can I
But
write?
just one. But what I have just explained, that
Yeah.
if there is full claim, then we will not write profit and loss account.
Yes.
Okay. That is what I explained. So class
Yeah.
is not about only writing things, that everything is written here. No, some part of it is only explanation that you need to understand, that you need to
Okay.
remember. Yes.
Okay.
So that's why
Yeah.
I have written bank account, debit, profit and loss account to insurance company. In every class, we write this and tell the student that if the insurance company has accepted the full claim, then you don't have to write profit and loss account. This is a simple common sense.
Okay.
So that's what it is about. If you think that it is confusing for you, then I can change it.
Sir, it's fine. I'll write it. I understood. I understood.
We'll remove your marking.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Next, my class is on Saturday. So, like, is it possible, like, from now onwards, that we can keep my classes on morning? I mean, Bahrain time.
Morning, where in time? Which time? In morning?
So, anytime, okay. 8 to
Good.
12 here. Anything is fine. Because evening now we
Right?
have church programs and all. Today also I have.
What is the program?
So basically, our church we have like program like OVBS, Orthodox Vacation Bible School. So they'll teach about song. We'll have song praises, and then
Okay,
they'll
so
teach
you are
about praise.
saying that morning time of Bahrain. Right now, can you tell me the time of Bahrain?
Now here it's 4:30. No, I
4:35.
mean sorry, 5:30, 5:30,
5:30.
5:30 p.m.
Okay, so 2.5 hour
Hmm.
behind India.
Yes, two
So
and a half hours.
so morning you are saying like 9, 10, 11, like this.
Yeah, okay. Are you talking about Bahrain time or India?
So if it is 11 a.m. Bahrain time, so it will be 1:30 p.m. here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Actually, can you send this message to the communication team? Because generally, I already told you that I have to take only classes. All the decision of changing the schedule or any other thing, uh, actually, they have to decide. I can inform them, but they will decide this.
Okay, sir, no problem. I'll tell them to, but from your side also, can you check with them?
Okay, I will tell them.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, your timings, everything is okay, right? Nothing clashing.
But in the morning, actually, I have my own classes here, like
Oh,
Indian
okay.
time morning. So that is not a problem because I complete my classes before 10. So it means
Oh,
7:30 in Bahrain. So
oh,
that is not
actually,
an
okay,
issue.
okay. Okay, sir, I'll check with them.
Okay. So do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So please write this also, like this example I have written. It
Okay.
will help you to understand the topic.
Sir,
Yes.
in this question, right, furniture of 30,000 destroyed by fire, insurance company only accepted 26,000 only.
Yes.
But here, insurance company, they're telling that insurance company only accepted 26,000. Then why are we writing the other two entries? We can directly write, right? Bank account debit to profit and loss account debit to insurance company. Why are
Means
we
you
writing the
not
other
pass
two?
any entry for loss by fire.
What's it?
You are saying that we should not pass the entry for loss by fire or on furniture.
Sir, I don't think so because they are already telling the insurance company accepted claim of 26,000, right?
Okay. What about furniture destroyed?
And insurance company did not accept it.
No, no, I'm not talking about the insurance company. If furniture is destroyed, how it will be recorded?
If insurance is there or not.
Leave the insurance. I'm just talking about if your furniture is destroyed, how it will be recorded. Leave the insurance. Just tell me how the furniture destroyed will be recorded.
Loss by fire, theft or accident account debit to furniture account.
So why we need insurance to pass this journal entry?
So that they'll provide some amount so that we can bear the risk.
Okay, so you want to say that if we have a furniture in our book of 30,000 and it is destroyed, and due to insurance company have paid money, we will show this furniture in our book. Yes.
Yes.
So it means there is no destruction of furniture. Yes.
So there is destruction of furniture.
But you are saying we should not record it.
Sir, but then if there is insurance company, then I mean, if there's
Okay,
no
you
insurance
you
company,
you understand little bit Hindi.
sir, what?
You understand little bit Hindi.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Leave it then. Okay. So I'm saying that furniture is 30,000 in our book. Okay. And it is fully destroyed. But due to insurance company has paid us money 30,000, so we will not remove the furniture from our book.
No, sir.
You are saying this?
No.
Then it is destroyed and it is still shown in our books. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Means
Yes.
in your house, just tell me this, in your house, there is like any phone, mobile phone, and it is stolen by someone. Okay.
Okay.
An insurance company has paid money for it. So that phone is still there in your house. You're saying this,
No, sir.
but your answer is this. Think about it. You are saying that insurance company has paid us money, so we will assume that mobile phone is there. Is that
Okay.
correct? So furniture is destroyed. Think about it. Furniture is destroyed, so we have to remove it from our book because it is not there like anymore.
Okay.
So we have to remove the furniture from the book. Then we have to pass the entry for making a claim also. Yes, because without making a claim, you will not know that insurance company has accepted the claim. The claim that is given in the question, that is the third step, which is
Yeah.
accepted by the insurance company. So until you make a claim, how it will be accepted? Think about it. If you do not inform the insurance company, they will accept your claim.
No.
No, insurance company never call their client like any accident happens with you right now. Every day they will call you. No. So you have to inform them and then they will accept your claim or not. So this is the process. You cannot ignore the process.
Okay.
So first we have to pass the entry for loss by fire. Then we have to pass the entry for making a claim. Then After that, we can pass the entry for acceptance of claim. We cannot directly go to like acceptance of claim.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So it is like one more example I want to give.
Sir,
Like, let's say,
can I write the other example?
can I write the another example?
No, the before one I didn't complete it.
Just 1 minute. Yes,
Okay.
you'll write it. Let's say you meet a person whose age is 30 years. Okay. So if you meet this person first time at 30 years of age, it doesn't mean that he didn't cross the 20, 10, and 5 years marks. Yes, he
Yes, sir.
crossed the 5 year age, then 10 years, then 15 years, then 20, then 25, then 30. Yes.
Yes.
So if you meet any person at this age, it doesn't mean he didn't cross these age mark.
Yes.
So that is why I'm saying that there are different steps we have to follow and we cannot ignore any step. So if you have the information about acceptance of claim, then you cannot ignore the first two steps.
Okay. So for first one is why is goods destroyed? That we have to write. Then we have to write about insurance company and then if they accepted the claim or not. And then how much if they settle the full claim or only half.
The first entry for loss,
Okay.
then second entry for making a claim.
Okay.
The third entry is for payment of claim.
So basically first two entries are important.
Yes, obviously.
Only there will be a difference in third entry.
Yes,
According to if they pay the full amount or half.
yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now this is the last topic of this chapter, the journal entry. Journal entry is complete now. So we have covered like first basic entries in which simple purchase, simple sale, uh, capital invested in the business, drawing out of the business for personal use, deposited into the bank, withdrawn from bank. So these type of items, transactions we have discussed. After that, we have covered bank related transaction, means where we have to receive check from someone and deposit it into the bank, and then we have to give check to someone to pay the money. So
Okay.
these are the bank related transaction. The third type is like discount. Yes. And there are trade discount, cash discount related questions that we have covered after that. And then bad dates, depreciation, transaction related to goods, and then this mm,
Okay.
loss by fire. So all these topics we have covered in this chapter. So do you have any doubt in any of these topics we have covered?
Sir, actually, I found two questions from a textbook. I have some doubts in that question.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, I'll read the question. Okay. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Harpreet Bros.
But little slow. The transaction, if the transaction is big,
Okay.
then speak little slow.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Okay.
1,000 rupees due from Rohit are now bad debts.
1,000 due from Rohit are now bad dates. It will be bad dates account debit to Rohit account.
Okay. Then second one is goods worth rupees 2,000 were used by the proprietor.
Goods worth rupees 2,000 uh, used by the proprietor.
Yes.
Is there any specific item like for personal use or household use?
Nothing. Only goods worth rupees 2,000 were used by the proprietor. That's all.
Okay, I think it is not given, but it is for personal use. So it will be drawing account, because
Okay.
anything that is used for personal account, first of all, we have to write drawing account on the debit side. So
Okay.
drawing account debit to purchase account, because goods are used. So instead of goods, we are writing purchase.
Okay. Third transaction is total five transactions. Now third transaction.
You are asking
Charge.
any examination question?
So what?
You are asking about examination question?
No, sir. This question is in textbook.
Okay, tell me then.
Charge depreciation at 10% per annum for 2 months on machine costing 30,000.
But you said that there is no question of percentage of depreciation in your book.
So no, formula is not given for us.
Formula is not given, but then how you will calculate this if formula you don't know?
Sir, I don't know, but then teacher didn't do this. That's why I'm asking.
So it means I was correct in writing the formula. Yes,
So what?
yes or no? I was right. I was writing the formula of depreciation at that time. You said that it is not in your syllabus, so I was correct then.
Sir, no, the formula is not given in textbook. That's why I don't know how
But
to do it.
if formula is not given and they are giving you question to calculate this, then how you will calculate? It
So
means
that,
formula is required.
yes, sir.
Yes or no? So it means formula is required. And if I am writing the formula, the same formula that you told me that it is not required, then it is a
So no,
mistake.
but we still wrote the formula.
Yes, we still wrote the formula because I insisted that.
Yes, sir. But
Yes or
then
no?
yeah, yeah. In
So that's
school,
what I'm saying.
yeah, in school they told we'll do this question later, then they didn't do it. So I
It
thought this
is,
might be this
school
might be
always do
cancelled.
this. Don't actually always listen to your school only. Sometimes they ignore some topic due to like they want to save some time. That's why they leave some topic.
Okay.
And school is not doing everything properly. That's why you joined the class. Yes.
Yes.
if if school is doing everything correct, everything they are explaining very good, then there is no need to join the classes. Yes.
Yes.
So if you have joined the classes, at least sometime listen to me, what I'm saying, because that will help you in your like examination. School is going too fast. Generally they go fast, so they have to cover the topic in very less time.
Yes.
So that's why don't always listen to the school. They are saying like this topic is not covered, this topic is not covered. Sometimes they do this to save time. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So charge depreciation of 10% on machine value of 30,000. Yes.
At 10% per annum for 2 months on machine
For
costing 30.
2 months. Okay. Okay. So it will be depreciation account debit to machinery account. The amount will be 30,000 into 10%, 3,000 into 2 by 12. It will be 5,000.
Okay.
Amount will be 5,000.
Okay. Sir, next one is provide interest on capital of rupees 1,50,000 at 6% per annum for 9 months.
Okay. Interest on capital is expenses for the company. Yes.
Yes.
So I told you that the formula will be same for interest calculation. So interest on capital account debit to capital account.
Okay.
This is the journal entry, and the interest calculation will be what is the amount of capital?
1,50,000.
1,50,000 multiplied by what is the rate?
6%.
6%, 6 by 100 into
Nine
what is the
months.
time?
9 months.
So 9 by 12.
So depreciation same formula.
Yes.
Okay.
So 750 into 9, whatever the amount is.
Okay.
6,750. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
The last transaction. Rahul became insolvent who owed us rupees 2,000. A final dividend of 60 paise in a rupee is received from his estate.
Okay. So 60 paise in a rupee, we received final dividend, means he owed us 2,000, means we have to receive 2,000 from him, and he paid only 60%. 60 paise in a rupee means 60%. So 1,200 he paid. So it will be cash account debit 1,200, bad debts account 800, and to Rahul account 2,000.
Sir, he owed us 2,000. So can you tell me the journal entry again?
Yes, I'm writing it.
Okay.
It will be cash account debit because we have received some amount also. So cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Rahul account. So he owed us 2,000. In this, we have received 60%. 60% means 1,200, and remaining 800 is bad debts.
Sir, how did he get 1,200? 2,000 into 60 by 100?
Yes,
Okay. 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 Okay, sir.
because in a rupee, total 100 paise. Yes.
Oh, yes.
So if it is 60 paise in 100 paise, so it means 60% you can say. So 60 by 100.
So if it's like 40 paise, it's 40%.
Yes.
Okay. So
So
then same question like this. Sudhir Kumar, who owed us 3,000, has, I mean, this is a different transaction, okay? Sudhir Kumar,
okay,
who owed me rupees 3,000, has failed to pay the amount. He pays a compensation of 45 paise in a rupee.
again, same question, 3000 into 45% you will calculate and the entry will be
So
same.
no, the journal entry I'm asking. He failed to pay
Journal entry
3,000.
will be same. Journal entry will be same, but name will be different. Cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Sudhir, whatever the name is.
Okay.